And politics also now escalating with regard to Punjab because Akali Dal and the Bharatiya Janata Party are targeting Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh now over electricity crisis in Punjab. Multiple protests are breaking out across the state. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh has directed the government offices to function from 8 a.m. only to 2 p.m. from tomorrow. Navjot Singh Sidhu has also taken a dig at the Chief Minister, and of course Captain Amarinder Singh, who is from his own party, he has taken to social media site Twitter, and I quote here, "Truth of power, costs, cuts, power purchase agreements and how to give free and 24-hour power to the people of Punjab. There is no need for power cuts in Punjab or for the Chief Minister to regulate office timings or ACUs of the common people if we act in the right direction," unquote.
बड़ा अफसोस है कि कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने पिछले 4 सालों के अंदर जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर असी बनाया सी बिजली महकमे का, जो असी इन्वेस्टमेंट की सी, अगे वधाउण दी बजाय वो सारी इन्वेस्टमेंट नूं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नूं मेनटेन ही नहीं किया। जिम्मेवार कौन है? मुख्यमंत्री है। मुख्यमंत्री ही अपने सूबे का पावर मिनिस्टर है।
Manjeet Sehgal is now reporting from Chandigarh. First, Manjeet, to you, because what is the situation on the ground? Why precisely are these protests breaking out? And is there an electricity crisis really there in Punjab?
Well, Pooja, despite the claim made by the political parties that Punjab was a power surplus state, the reality is something different. Punjab's Power Department is resorting to unannounced power cuts up to 14 hours. You just imagine what will be the life if there is no power, that too when the summer had just started in and the mercury is touching up to 45 degrees in many parts of Punjab. The worst hit are the farmers who are not getting enough power despite the claims made by the Congress government that uninterrupted power supply will be made available to them. The demand for power has gone up by at least 1,000 megawatt. That is beyond the capacity of Punjab. State government has now pressed a panic button, asking the officials to do the judicious use of the power. And besides this, Punjab government has ensured that it will purchase additional power from the neighboring states like Himachal to meet the requirements. Pooja?
Manjeet, stay on with me. I'm also now joined by our National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastav. Rahul, while the electricity crisis is a genuine issue faced by people there in Punjab, how do you see the politics breaking out? This is not just Akalis attacking one of their own, Navjot Singh Sidhu, already in a wide-known rift, is also attacking the Chief Minister. How do you look at this politics, and how should the viewer also perceive it?
Pooja, the politics over electricity in Punjab, as Manjeet is saying, is born out of, it's a creation of Punjab politics itself, primarily because of a huge subsidy. 17,000 crore 2021 is a huge burden on the state. Now you are giving free electricity. Arvind Kejriwal's party is now promising more free electricity. 17,000 crore is going into subsidies. The government does not have capacity to either install more. What is the problem is that one of the plants has malfunctioned and it's shut down. And right now there is a 1,300 megawatt shortage in Punjab. Now if a chief minister announces cuts, it is perhaps an asking for a judicious use. Now this can be an issue for the opposition, but for Navjot Singh Sidhu, who is in the middle of a running feud with Mr. Captain Amarinder Singh, the party high command is mediating. He met Priyanka Gandhi. After that, to throw a barb at the chief minister at a time when the opposition is attacking him definitely shows that the war, factional war in Punjab Congress, is really far from over.
Rahul Srivastav tracking all the latest. So it's not just about the rift between the Congress party, but also on issues that concern residents. The Akalis are targeting Captain Amarinder Singh. Thank you so much, Manjeet Sehgal, Rahul Srivastav, with all the latest on that.